Dear students, today I will mainly discuss the question and answers from the chapter The Himalayas. Right? Already I posted a video on the chapter. Let me tell you one more thing. I will post more videos on the chapter in near future. Right? But today I will discuss only the question answer. But before that, I want all of you to take out your EVS copy and go through the page where you have written the question answer, right? So তোমালোকে য'ত question answer খিনি লিখি লৈছিলা এই চেপ্টাৰটো ওলাই লোৱা So let's start. So this is the first question. Write the extension of Himalayas. Extension means what? Extend হৈ spread হৈ আছে This is the answer. The Himalayas extend throughout the northern part of India. Northern part of India means this is north, this is south, this is west, this is east. That means the Himalaya mountain range to a pura northern part. The whole northern part is covered by Himalayan mountain range, right? B. Name the highest mountain in the world. You know only the Himalayas. World jiman bila mountain ase tar bhitor Himalaya khon highest hoy. Third, what is the Sanskrit meaning of the word Himalayas? The abode of snow. Abode means, let me tell you, abode means shelter. That means house or home. Shelter means what? House. Shelter means what? House. That means abode of snow means what? The place where the house or the shelter where snow is found. Himalayas. That is Himalayas. That means since there is abundance of snow in Himalayas, that is why the Himalayan mountain range is called the house, the shelter of snow. Right? Next question. মানে the abode of snow means বৰফৰ ঘৰ Himalaya. বৰফৰ ঘৰ বুলি কোৱা হয় Next. Name the highest peak in the world. Mount Everest. Height 8,848 meter. ঠিক আছে? And remember one thing, world's highest peaks are, that means most of the world's highest peaks are located in Himalayas. Remember it. And the world's highest peak, that is Mount Everest, is located in Himalayas. This is the height 8,848. Remember it, important. Again, the world's third highest peak, that is Kanchenjunga, is also located in Himalayas, and its height is 8,598. Remember it. So Kanchenjunga is the world's third highest peak. Let's move to second page. Okay. Next question. Name 3 rivers which are originated from Greater Himalayas. Greater Himalayas. Okay. Already I have told in the video that I posted in the group, the Himalayan mountain ranges are divided into 3. North, south, east and west. So the whole northern part is covered by Himalayas, right? So this part is called Greater Himalayas. Greater Himalayas. And this middle part is called Lesser Himalayas. And that means Assam, Arunachal, Meghalaya, Himalayas extend up to northeastern part of India. That means Assam, Himalaya, like Assam, Arunachal. Yes. So a part to koa hoy Shivalik. It is known as Shivalik, right? Or it is also called Lower Himalaya. It is also called what? Lower Himalaya. Yes, let me repeat. Himalayan mountain range. Himalayan are divided into 3. Greater Himalaya. Greater Himalaya. Next, Lesser Himalaya. Lesser Himalaya. Third, Lower Himalaya. Right? greater, lesser, and lower. So these four famous rivers, Ganga, Indus, Brahmaputra, and Yamuna, are originated from Greater Himalayas. And Greater Himalayas are located. Which part is Greater Himalayas? The top part of Himalaya. The top part of, suppose this is Himalaya mountain range. Yes. So this top part is called Greater Himalayas, right? This is middle part, or lesser part. Yes. And this is lower or Shivalik. The taller part too. And remember, the most famous rivers of India, Ganga, Indus, Brahmaputra, and Yamuna, are originated from Greater Himalayas. Next, what is the other name given to the Great Himalayas? Himadri. Remember, so Greater Himalaya is also known as Himadri. What is the other name given to Lesser Himalayas? Himachal. Remember it. Name 3 famous hill station located in Lesser Himalayas. That means Lesser Himalaya means what? Himachal. Kiki, Darjeeling, already you have heard about it. Mussoorie, Nainital, and Simla. And so far, I think Simla and Darjeeling, you have heard about it, right? You have heard about this 2 hill station, very famous hill station, Darjeeling and Simla. Yes. Then 2 other famous hill station are Mussoorie and Nainital. Yes. It means what? Greater Himalaya. This is Lesser Himalaya. So a Lesser Himalaya, some of the very famous hill stations are found. Yes. Darjeeling, Mussoorie, Nainital, and Simla. A major part too. Next, name the southernmost range of Himalayas. Southernmost range of Himalaya. It is Lower Himalayas or Shivalik. Remember. Next, write the names of 2 glaciers located in the Greater Himalayas. And remember, in Greater Himalayas, some of the very famous glaciers. Glaciers মানে তো গম পোৱা, এই Greater Himalaya almost the whole part is covered by very large iceberg. ঠিক আছে, আইচবাৰ্গ মানে ডাঙৰ ডাঙৰ অকল বৰফৰ ইয়াতে মানে কিবা পাহাৰ পাবা ইয়াতে, পৰ্বত পাবা ইয়াতে. য়েছ, অনলি দ্য মাউণ্টেইনছ কাভাৰ্ড উইথ স্ন'. য়েছ, চ' সেইবিলাক কি কোৱা হয়? গ্লেচিয়াৰ. চ' 2 very famous glaciers, Siachen Glacier and Gangotri Glacier. আৰু গ্লেচিয়াৰবিলাকৰ পৰাই কি হয়, তাতে বহুত বৰফ জমা হৈ থাকে. মেনি in glaciers, many large ice are found. ice are found. আৰু সেইবিলাক কি হয়, কেতিয়াবা যেতিয়া গ্ল'বেল ৱাৰ্মিং হয়, সেইবিলাক গ্লেচিয়াৰ্ছবিলাক গলি যায়, মেল্ট ডাউন হৈ যায়. নেক্সট, what are called the dunes or dunes? Amidst the mountain ranges of Lesser Himalayas, some valley, it should be S, okay. Some valleys are found called dunes or dunes. And remember it. Let me repeat. Lesser Himalaya means what? This middle part. এই middle part কি হয়, এই মাউণ্টেইন ৰেঞ্জবিলাকৰ মাজত কিছুমান কি আছে? ভেলি আছে. য়েছ, কিছুমান প্লেইন এৰিয়া আছে. Right? So a mountain, now let me tell you what is called valley. Suppose it is a mountain range, so a mountain range bilakor majot, in between the mountain range, some plains areas are found and they are called valley. Yes, let me repeat. দুটা মাউণ্টেইনৰ মাজত কি হয়, এইবিলাক মাউণ্টেইনৰ মাজত কি হয়, কিছুমান প্লেইন এৰিয়া আছে. চ' এই প্লেইন এৰিয়াবিলাকক কোৱা হয় ভেলিজ. ৰাইট? চ' এই লেচাৰ হিমালয়ত, তাৰমানে মিডল হিমালয়ত কি হয়, amidst the mountain range of lesser Himalayas, some valleys are found called dunes, dance or dunes. Okay, now name 3 dunes located in Leisure Himalayas: Dehradun, Patlidun, and Kotlidun. Kothidun. Remember this 3 famous dune. This will come in exam: Dehradun, Patlidun, and Kothidun. Next, name some state through which the Himalayan mountain range passes through. Himalayan mountain range, so largest, highest mountain range in the world, right? So this Himalayan mountain range passes through some states of our country, like Jammu and Kashmir, northern part of this northern part, Jammu and Kashmir is right. Jammu and Kashmir is there, right? Then Himachal Pradesh, Uttarakhand, and also some northern state like northern. This is east, south, west. This is Indian map, right? So this part is Jammu and Kashmir. Then this part is Himachal. Then Uttarakhand. Then this part is northern part of India, northeastern part of India. Assam, Arunachal, Meghalaya এইবিলাক আছে, right? So Himalayan mountain range to Jammu and Kashmir পৰা start হৈছে, Himachal পাৰ হৈ আছে, Uttarakhand পাৰ হৈছে. Yes, then it reaches northeastern state of India, like Assam, Meghalaya, Arunachal. Next, name 3 main regions of Jammu and Kashmir. Jammu and Kashmir is divided into 3 main regions. What are they? Jammu, Kashmir Valley, and Ladakh. Remember it. Next, name 2 famous temples of Jammu region. So this Jammu region is very famous for temples. Okay, so name 2 such temples, famous temples: Vaishnavi temple and Raghunath temple. Remember it. 2 famous temples of Jammu region. So Vaishnavi and Raghunath temple. Next, name 3 famous tourist spots of Jammu and Kashmir. Let me tell you one thing. Jammu Kashmir কি কোৱা হয় জানানে? Jammu Kashmir is called the heaven. Yes, heaven on earth. Jammu and Kashmir is called the heaven on earth. মানে পৃথিৱীত থকা স্বৰ্গ বুলি কোৱা হয়. Why? Because Jammu and Kashmir is very beautiful in terms of natural beauty. There are many tourist spots. Famous tourist spots are there in Jammu and Kashmir, and every year tourists from outside India, they come and visit Jammu and Kashmir. So among the very famous tourist spots of Jammu and Kashmir are Dal Lake, Pahalgam, and Amarnath temple. So I think you have heard about Amarnath temple and Dal Lake. Next, why is Dal Lake famous? Dal Lake is famous for its shikaras and houseboat. Houseboat বিলাক তোমালোকে দেখিছা ফিল্ম বিলাকত কেতিয়াবা. So the shikaras, and Dal Lake is famous for shikaras and houseboat. Next, write the Sanskrit meaning of Himachal Pradesh, region of snowy mountain. Very easy. Write 3 popular dance form of Himachal Pradesh: Dulsal, Mala dance, and Raksha Nitra. Remember. So these are the names to remember. তোমালোকে এইবিলাক নাম মনত ৰাখিব লাগিব, লিখিব লাগিব, আৰু first you have to write, you have to remember, and you have also to remember the spelling. Yes. Next, name 3 popular, this is not needed, name 3 popular hill station of Himachal Pradesh. Himachal Pradesh, 3 popular hill station: Shimla, Kulu, and Manali. So I think you have heard about Manali, Shimla also, right? So 3 famous hill station of Himachal Pradesh are Shimla, Kulu, and Manali. Next, Why is Uttarakhand? Uttarakhand, you know, one of the state of India, right? Why is Uttarakhand called the land of gods? Okay. Say for example, Assam is called the land of rivers, right? Why Assam is called the land of rivers? Because in Assam there are many rivers. Yes, are flowing across the state. সেইকাৰণে কি কোৱা হয়, Assam is called river land of rivers because so there are many rivers are flowing down across our state. Yes, exactly that way Uttarakhand is called the land of gods. Why? Uttarakhand is also called the land of gods as many Hindu places of worship are situated in the state. So Uttarakhand কি হ'ল many famous places of worship মানে পূজা কৰিবৰ কাৰণে উত্তৰাখণ্ডত কি হ'ল বহুত very famous place of worship are there. পূজা কৰিবৰ কাৰণে বহুত ঠাই থকাৰ কাৰণে ইয়াক কি কোৱা হয়, land of god বুলি কোৱা হয়. নেক্সট, নেম টু ৰিজন অফ উত্তৰাখণ্ড. উত্তৰাখণ্ডক যেনেকৈ জম্মু এণ্ড কাশ্মীৰক তিনিটা ভাগত ভাগ কৰা হৈছিলে. জম্মু এণ্ড কাশ্মীৰ ইজ ডিভাইডেড ইনটু 3. জম্মু কাশ্মীৰ ভেলী এণ্ড জম্মু নাম্বাৰ 2 কি আছিলে, কাশ্মীৰ ভেলী, দেন থাৰ্ড ওৱান লাডাখ, right? So in that way Uttarakhand is also divided into 2, Kumaon and Garhwal, right? Next, name 2 India's perennial rivers which are originated from Gangotri and Yamunotri. Let me first tell you, Gangotri and Yamunotri, they are 2 famous glaciers. Glaciers means the mountain of snow. Yes, so a glacier, দুটা very famous glacier, এটা নাম, one of them is Gangotri and other one is Yamunotri. So এই Gangotri আৰু Yamunotri এই দুটা গ্লেচিয়াৰ পৰা ওলোৱা দুখন perennial means, do you know what is the meaning of perennial? Perennial means the river in which throughout the year water is found, right? So কিছুমান এনেকুৱা ৰিভাৰ আছে মানে অলমষ্ট অল থ্ৰুআউট দ্য ইয়েৰ পানী নুশুকায়, পানী সদায় পোৱা যায়, পানী সদায় মানে থাকেই. ইয়েছ, চ' তেনেকুৱা ৰিভাৰবিলাকক পেৰিনিয়েল ৰিভাৰ বুলি কি কয়, পেৰিনিয়েল ৰিভাৰ. চ' এতিয়া কুৱেশ্যনটো সুধিছে, নেম টু ইণ্ডিয়াছ পেৰিনিয়েল ৰিভাৰ হুইচ আৰ অৰিজিনেটেড ফ্ৰম Gangotri and Yamunotri. Gangotri এটা গ্লেচিয়াৰ হয়, Yamunotri এটা গ্লেচিয়াৰ হয়. গতিকে এই গ্লেচিয়াৰ পৰা বহুত কেইখন ৰিভাৰ ওলাই আহিছে, অৰিজিনেট হৈছে. So from this 2 glaciers many famous rivers of India are originated, and 2 such perennial rivers are Ganga and Yamuna, right? Next, what are Kumaoni and Garhwal? Yes, Kumaoni and Garhwal means what? The people of Kumaon region, this Kumaon region are called Kumaoni, and the people of Garhwal, this Garhwal. যিবিলাক মানুহ এই কুমাউনত থাকে সেইবিলাকক কুমাউনি, আৰু যিবিলাক মানুহ the people who live in Kumaon is called Kumaoni, and the people who live in Garhwal is called Garhwali. Next, what is the name of the festival where people of large numbers gather in the banks of Ganga? Yes, Ganga. Okay, where is the answer? Okay, Kumbh Mela. Thousands of devotees, even from outside India, come and take part in Kumbh Mela. Yes, very famous. Next, answer the following question. What is Ghagra? Ghagra is the traditional dress of which state of India? You know only Ghagra is a long skirt. So the girls know better well about this dress code. Ghagra, called Ghagra. Okay, Ghagra is a long skirt, a soli, a traditional blouse with a urni covering over the head is called Ghagra. The চাই ল'বা ড্ৰেছটো ঠিক আছে যিবিলাক ছোৱালী হয় the girls, our girls only know about this very famous dress code, Ghagra. Next, so Ghagra is the traditional dress of the women of Uttarakhand. Uttarakhandor, the women who live in Uttarakhand, for them Ghagra is the traditional dress. Next, name 3 important pilgrimage places of Uttarakhand. Pilgrimage means ধৰ্মীয় ৰিলিজিয়াছ প্লেচবিলাকক পিলগ্ৰিমেজ বুলি কয়. য়েছ, ৰিলিজিয়াছ প্লেচবিলাক কি কোৱা হয়? পিলগ্ৰিমেজ প্লেচেছ মিনছ ৰিলিজিয়াছ প্লেচেছ, য'ত মানুহে পূজা কৰিব যায়, য'ত মানুহে প্ৰাৰ্থনা কৰিব যায়. চ' দিছ প্লেচেছ আৰ কল্ড pilgrimage places. And already I told you Uttarakhand is very famous for pilgrimage places. Okay, so name us 3 important pilgrimage places of India. মানে উত্তৰাখণ্ডত পোৱা তেনেকুৱা 3খন ফেমাছ ইম্পৰ্টেণ্ট ধৰ্মীয় ঠাই পিলগ্ৰিমেজ প্লেচ নাম কি হৰিদ্বাৰ, বদ্ৰীনাথ এণ্ড কেদাৰনাথ. কেদাৰনাথ এই ঠাইখনৰ পৰা এখন ফিল্মো আছে কেদাৰনাথৰ ওপৰত, ঠিক আছে. নেক্সট, নেম 3 মেজৰ ক্ৰপছ অফ ছিকিম. ৰাইচ, মেইজ এণ্ড কাৰ্ডামন. নেক্সট, ছিকিম প্ৰডিউচ দ্য লাৰ্জেষ্ট এমাউণ্ট অফ কাৰ্ডামন ইন ইণ্ডিয়া. গ্ৰীণ কাৰ্ডামন গম পোৱা নাই তোমালোকে? ইলাইচি, ইলাইচি কাৰ্ডামন বুলি কয়. নেক্সট, name 3 major communities of Sikkim. Communities, so there are many communities, tribes live in Sikkim, just like in Assam there are many communities are there, right? Boro, Khasi, then Missing, yes. So there are many communities are there. Home, yes. So just like Assam, there are also many communities who live in Sikkim. Among those communities, 3 major communities are Lepchas, Bhutias and Nepalis. You remember it. Next, what are Thokudam and Dumbum and Bakhu? They are the traditional dress of Sikkimis. Remember, Sikkimis means that the people of Sikkim are called Sikkimis. Yes, the people who live in Sikkim are called Sikkimis, and their traditional dance and their traditional not dance, dress, Tokudam, Dumbum and Bakhu, right? Why is Ladakh famous for? Why is it what is Pashmina? Ladakh is famous for wool and saffron. কিহৰ কাৰণে উল পোৱা যায় গম পোৱা নাই? ফেমাছ হয় কাৰণ তাত বহুত মানুহে ভেড়া পোহে. ভেড়া ছাগলী মানে গম পোৱা? ভেড়া, লেম্প. য়েছ, চ' লাডাখ ইজ ভেৰি ফেমাছ ফৰ লেম্প. আৰু এই লেম্পবিলাকৰ পৰাই উল ওলোৱা হয়, উল, ঠিক আছে, স্কিনৰ পৰা, ফাৰ, নোমবিলাকৰ পৰা. Pashmina is wool obtained from Kashmir goats of the Himalayan region. Yes, so এই Pashmina মানে কি? One type of goats তাত পোৱা যায়, কাশ্মীৰ goats বুলি, ঠিক আছে. আৰু এই কাশ্মীৰ goatsবিলাকৰ পৰা এই Pashmina, one type of wool, তাৰ পৰা কি কৰা হয়? ওলোৱা হয়, ঠিক আছে. So I think you have understood the question answer. আৰু যদি কিবা বুজি নোপোৱা, and you just tell me, right?